What's up YouTube? In today's video I am going to replace the stock gas cap with the lock. This is the standard gas cap that comes with the motorcycle. I'm going to be replacing that with a carbon fiber easy twist off gas cap. Reason why I did this was, well, one of the reasons, it's super easy, and of course you know, those of us living in California, when you put the gas nozzle in here, it's pretty thick, so it hits against this part anyway, and you have to kind of pull it up to get the actual tube in there. So this one should be a lot easier. Another thing too is when I'm using the Bluetooth, when it's synced up to the TFT screen and I'm listening to music, I have to take the key out, right? And then once the key's out, it disconnects my Bluetooth, my headset, just to unlock this here. And then when I leave, it when I put the key back into the ignition and start it, you know, it doesn't sync right away. You have to wait probably about a good minute or two for it to eventually start to connect with the headset and your phone. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing all of these here. This is a T20. So I'm going to remove all of those. Once those are removed, this top part is going to come out. And then once that's done, then I can go ahead and put on the attachments on here. And what I'm going to use is my star point bit, so it's going to be the T20 star bit. Another thing that you want to do is before you take off the bolts, you want to make sure that you tape this part over here. You want to cover the hole here because you don't want those bolts falling into the gas tank, because that will just open up a whole new thing and it's going to make it super hard. So just put that in there and you'll be good. So of course I pre-loosened them before I started just doing this with my hand. Did you just see how that just saved this whole socket from going into my gas tank? So remember, always put that piece of tape in there so nothing goes into that gas tank. Okay, now that all the bolts are removed, then I can just grab this. And there's probably gonna be a gasket underneath here, so just want to do it very carefully. There it goes. Okay. Then just set this aside. And I'm not going to touch this gasket because it looks fine where it's at, like it's perfectly set, so I'll just leave it just like that. And then I'm gonna open up this package right here, and get the bolts and start screwing them in. looks nice and, oh, hold on, this one. So there's that rubber gasket underneath it, so you want to make sure it makes a nice tight seal. Not too tight, of course, but
You can see the gas that's inside.
okay, so then now I'm gonna get this, and then this part here is gonna go into here, that part in there. Let's see how good it works. Okay. I think I did it. Cool. Yep, it's got a nice gasket seal around it. And then this part here, so this goes, I believe it's just gonna go like this. Hold on, let me figure this out. So it should be right down there. I think that was it. Yeah, so then if I'm gonna take it out, I just go. Oh, guess it takes some getting used to. So just go in, push it in. That's gonna tighten it. It should be fine, just like that. I don't know what this is, made in somewhere. Let's take that off, don't need that. There we go.